How to make cover photo private on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can make your cover photo private on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, making your cover photo private on Facebook is actually quite simple. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Facebook app. Then just make sure to tap the profile icon from the top left of the screen. This is my profile picture and this is my cover photo. So first of all, select your cover photo here, and then you'll find these sorts of options where what you need to do is just select the option called see cover photo here. Then you'll be able to see the cover photo. Then from there, just tap on the three dots option from the top right hand side. Then you'll find all these options where you'll find the edit privacy option. Now you can just choose to go ahead and tap on edit privacy, and then you can choose to make it private, or you can choose to upload a new cover photo here, and then after that you can select that, turn off share update to newsfeed, tap on save, and your cover photo will be made private. That's all it takes to make your cover photo private on Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.